Right guys, it's day 2 of Disney Experience. We are going to the Animal Kingdom today. We're going to see some animals, go on some rides, and there's Big Len. You excited, Len?
You excited?
Can I get a... Have a wild time. We're here at the Animal Kingdom.
Len, are you excited?
What is it? Where?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
We've got to show everybody.
Is it a real one? Whoa.
Show everybody how your band works.
Show us your band, Len. What do you do when you want something? Put your band on it. Let's go. Oh, I think there's a new animal in. He's a little cheeky monkey called Lenny. Hello. Can I get her? Can I get her? Yeah, buddy. Oh, look, Len. Let's have a look what he's doing. Wow, goofy. Look at that. Goofy or Pluto? Who's that, Len? Goofy or Pluto? Goofy, innit? Wow. It's Goofy, Mum. Yeah. Where we go first, Len? Let's get a map. Find one which has got
America.
English. No, that's the disabled one. That one there, buddy. That's it. Then we've got to look where we're going to go. We've got restrooms.
Greetings everyone, and welcome to Disney's Animal Kingdom. An exciting expedition into wild places and wildlife is about to begin.
Wow, this is a bit bigger than yesterday.
This is the gateway to a
Wow.
fascinating world where mankind and nature
Where should we go first?
come together in harmony. Look closely, keep an eye out. You never know what
Oh,
might
let's
appear
have a look.
as you begin a day
This
of
way.
adventures in Disney's
Let's go.
Animal Kingdom.
Watch out for the animals, Len. Len, look. Over here. It's the flamingo. That's it, baby. Shake it. Shake it, baby. Wow. Look at them. They're called Rosies. Yeah. They're called actual spoonbill. Wow. Look at that. Look at their big beaks, Len. They're called snowbills. Spoonbill. Let's go. Show me your dances. Yeah, go on, shake it, baby. Is that your Animal Kingdom dance? Wow, what's that there? The Rainforest Cafe. Rainforest. That's where we're gonna eat later, maybe.
Rainforest Cafe.
Wow, look at that tree. I think that's the best tree I've ever seen. We're in Africa area. This is where we're going to see the Lion King later. What we got? You better run. Oh. Oh. Len, what are you going on now?
River wide.
Think we're going to get wet. Are you scared, Mummy?
Very scared.
Are you scared, Lenny? Ah, look!
Saludos amigos.
Ready, Len?
Para su seguridad permanezcan sentados con las
Rapid river. Oh. Get ready, Len. Get ready.
Stop behind them now.
Ready? Get ready, Len.
He thinks it's not an easy one.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh no.
Did you get wet?
Look at these.
Candy floss.
What's that?
Cotton candy.
Oh, whoa. And animal crackers.
Let's get them.
Candy floss?
Look, pick one or the other. You're not having
Yeah,
both.
which one?
You're not going to eat them all. What? You want this one? I'll put that one back.
Yeah, you don't really like candy
No, I
floss.
don't really like it.
Wow, look at all these
I'm
goodies.
going to get one of them later.
Got an elephant caramel apple,
I'm gonna get the light.
a monkey caramel apple. What is this?
Daddy.
Oh my god, look, a peanut butter cookie.
Daddy, later you gonna get the
What one are you gonna get? A tiger?
No, the lion.
A lion.
Are you gonna get the
I think I'm gonna join Mummy and get a peanut butter chocolate cookie. That
No,
one
get
right there.
that one.
What? The tiger?
Yeah.
Whoa!
Ah, look.
No, I just see them.
What is that? Gummy spiders?
Apple flavoured lollipop.
Apple flavoured lollipops. Wow. What one's that, Len?
It's
What noise does Simba make? Ooh. What's in here, Len? Oh, look, Len.
It's a turtle.
Yeah. You reckon that's a teenage one? What is it, Len? Oh, look, it's at the back there, Len. This way. See him there?
Yeah. There's two.
Two. Nice. What's in there? The sand boa. Oh, it's a snake. You want to touch him?
Not yet.
Or you can't, that one. Maybe they've got one where we can touch. What's that one? Oh yeah. This little towel. We got in here, Len. Oh, look at these. Eastern Egypt one. Len, look at this. Len. Wow. Len, we're going on the Everest side. It's going to be scary. Yeah. Hold on, Len. Mummy's scared. Get ready, Len. Arms up, Len. Yeah. Get ready, Len. Look at that. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yeah, buddy. It's all right. Get ready, Lenny. Get ready, Lenny. Let's go, buddy. good? Thumbs up. Thumbs down.
Len, how was that?
Not good.
If I was terrified.
Len, you're so brave. A bird spotting guide. Whoa.
God,
Did you see that fly down?
carrying something in its mouth.
Was it?
Yeah.
I think I can see winners.
Gorillas?
Yeah.
Where's that bird? Up in that nest.
Yeah, that's up there.
Look at that nest.
There's one.
Oh, there's another.
There's one.
Oh, they're all up there. Look above you. Hey, hey, look up. See all the nest?
Wow.
See that big one? That's one that's small.
I keep missing it. Where is he? Got some fish. Little duck.
They didn't care, did he?
Wow, look at all these little nests. Woo.
And he almost did it again.
What's in there, Len? What? Where's Nemo? Find him.
Oh, so there's a big bird up there, look.
Oh, look at that.
Where's Nemo there?
I know, I saw the bird. Can you see Nemo?
No. There's Nemo.
Where?
There.
You found him.
There's something fun door.
Dory. There's Dory.
The little fish.
Oh, yeah. Where are we going now, Len? What's round here? Did you see them big birds? Oh my God. Look at that, Len. This is a hippos. That is a... Touch their teeth, Len. Woo. That's a crop. Where is it, Len? Oh my God, is that Marty? Quite a few there, isn't there?
You can. Lower your foot. Go and hold him.
Help him out, Mama. 3, 2, 1. More skulls. A male human, a female gorilla, and a male gorilla, and a Lenny gorilla.
I'm a gorilla.
Do you reckon that's a baby one? It's over here, Len. Len,
Get out from under there.
over this way. Look at the size of him, Len. Len, is that a big one? Do you want to be in there with him or not?
He is not the largest mammal you have. He weighs in at 385 pounds.
See the biggest gorilla. He's coming down. Right there, mate. There's another one there. Can you see that one? Right, wait there. Look at that one.
Oh, you can see it.
Len, look.
There it is.
Yeah. Are you ready? What do you reckon you've got? Oh, Twister. I've got one. One goes up and down. You hot, Len? That way you got your shades on. Need a swimming pool. And a slushy. Ah! Up there. We're high in the sky. You like this song, Len? We just got to DinoLand, USA. Look at that dinosaur, Len. Dinorama. You can't keep up. Come on, then. Which one do you want to go on, Len? That big one, the spinny. Well, I think it's going to be fast. Let's go and go on it. Oh, you're a little bit too small. Another 2 years, I reckon. Yes, boys.
Goofy and Pluto are here. Go Goofy, go Pluto, go Goofy, go Pluto.
Kids, we need children of all ages. We need lots of people to come cheer on Pluto. Oh, so close. But you have 2 more chances. I think we can make one. Are you ready, Goofy? All right, guys, come on, Goofy. Lead the big cheering section. Goofy, 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 Goofy. Oh, so close. All right, Pluto, are you ready again? All right, get that tail wagging. You can do this. Pluto, 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 Pluto. Oh, so close. All right, Goofy, I know you can do this. Goofy, 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 Goofy. Oh.
Len, where are you?
Nemo.
You gonna find him?
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Totally sweet.
One more time.
Totally sweet.
Whoa! Did you hear that? Did you hear?
Oh, totally! Now put your heads together, human dudes! Because you just talk like a turtle. Awesome!
Oh, get ready then.
Welcome to Finding Nemo, the musical. Please remember,
It's officially come to and it's all side of place. Fish are friends. Fish are friends. Not friends.
Yeah. Good, Len. Right, guys, it is nearly 100 Fahrenheit and it's what, 7 PM?
Yep.
And we're just going to shopping. We've got Nike, we've got Ralph. Then want some new shoes because we don't like laces. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Look what we've got. All the shops, Len. Is he tall enough to go shopping?
Let's get our shop on.
Yep. Look at this, Len. Hi. First shop down, we got 3 pairs of trainers. Len got a sort of like a flash top, and he's got a gift card with nothing on. All these sour sweets.
My balls. Oh, sorry.
What, that one?
Oh, yeah.
Lynn. That's it. Good.
What?
Oh no, none of you like that one.
That's
Oh yeah.
And that's the block, the spinner block. Look, that's the fidget block.
Oh yeah.
Let's get couples.
We've got a load of fidget spinners at home. Right at the hotel. It's thunderstorms. I challenge you to run out there for 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go, go, go.